Okay, so when you run your program, your class is actually loaded first. Then static variables are created before any other objects are created. Alright, so when your class is available, static variables are also available. Alright, so you can access them. Alright. Only after that will constructor get called. Alright. An actual object that is created by the command new will get created. Alright. So after that, alright. So static variables are available at this stage. Then after the new command and the constructor is called, non-static variables will then be available to use. Alright, so static variables are available first. Alright? Now, let's see what a package is. Alright, a package is a collection of classes or interfaces. Alright? So it's actually a folder. Alright, a package is actually a folder that you use to group your classes and other files. Alright? So, in fact, Java classes that's already available for you to use are, well, part of several packages. Alright? For example, the main classes that you use are from packages java.lang. Alright? And classes for reading and writing to input and output are in package java.io. Alright? Package are actually folder. So these are the representation of something like this. Alright? So it's a structure of folder that you use to keep your classes, keep your files. Alright? And the Java creator also uses package or a folder like this to store their files. Okay? Things in a different package, like in java.io and java.lang. If you have class A in java.lang and class A in java.io, it's okay. Alright? You can have classes with the same name as long as they are in different package. Okay? So it kind of help preventing conflict and help us help us not to worry about class name. Okay. So we don't need to be concerned if the class name that we create just now is already used with that name in other packages. Alright? Because they're now independent. Right? So that's the good part of using packages. Alright? So when we define a package, we usually, in an IDE, we can create a folder. And in an IDE like IntelliJ or Eclipse, you can actually create new package and it will create a new folder for you to store your data. Alright? And, the IDE will actually work out the package decoration that's put in the class file for you. Okay, so if you use an IDE, please create your package using the IDE tool that's available. Okay? Right. But if you write the package name yourself, then we write it at the top of your source file. Your source file is the .java file, okay? Write it at the top. And then usually the name is representing the folder, like this com.shape.shapes means com/shape/shapes. All right. So it's kind of using dot for slash. Okay. So, for example, if we use the shapes package, in this case, the shape package come from this library, com.shape.shapes. All right. To refer to anything in that package, I will have to use its full name. Like this is a variable which is a rectangle, but it's not a normal rectangle defined by the Java language. All right, it's a rectangle defined in this folder. So to use it, I have to specify the full path. All right, which can be long. All right, can be very long. So usually we don't. Okay, usually we don't. To access variables or things in a package, we import that package first. So like this, import the package first. So when we refer to anything from the package, we no longer have to use the full path. All right. No longer need to use the full path or the fully qualified name. All right. Right. So that's all about package.